welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here with my July monthly, I guess plan with me, more like decorate with me, because I don't do a lot to my July or my monthly plans. I typically just put a little stickers on it, decorate it, mark my paydays, any important any holidays for the month, and then I move forward. So I found, since July is such a warm month, I did find some paper, scrapbook paper that I really like. And this is actually from a haul that I did from Michael's. And I'm not posting it, but this is called the Tropic Vacation. And this is absolutely beautiful paper. One thing that I really appreciate about this particular paper is you don't have to decide on your best paper because the backs of the papers are white. But I wanted to include this particular paper because I wanted to use these Monstera leaves in my spread. I mean, what says summer more than Monstera leaves, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here on the, excuse me, sometimes my nails don't work. On the sidebar is where I'm going to incorporate it. And then I'll use stickers to complete the rest of my spread. So, and I don't have my handy dandy pencil, but I have this absolutely cute pen that I've bought quite some time ago. Let's see. So I'm thinking that right here and then right here. Oh, I wrote on my page. Good thing I'm covering this thing up. Okay. There we go. So I think that that will do us well. I'm just going to cover up this area, and I'm hoping that it will totally give me enough of the leaves. I get enough of the leaves on the page. But if not, I have plans to, let's see, that will get some of the leaves in there. Okay. So we will start with cutting it off here. And I just try to line this up. I'm so horrible at cutting, but it doesn't stop me from using scrapbook paper if I want to. Okay. And let's cut this little small piece right here. And I think we're good to go. All right. Let me check placement of my mat because I felt it move. Yeah, you guys can't even see what's going on. All right, let's pull this down a little bit. Okay, so let's see if this makes my spread look like summer. Well, it's quite good enough for me. Doesn't have to be perfect. Let's see if I flip it around this way. How does that do? I am perfectly fine with it. I just need to snip off a piece from the bottom here, and we'll be good to go. So how do you typically decorate your monthly spread? A lot of people use it for certain things, and you know, with everything that's been going on, I do have to do another lineup of my videos and what I'm doing, because I'm doing some things differently than I did from the beginning of the year. So I definitely plan on shooting that video soon. I owe you guys a couple of videos. I want to get them out before I go promising more, but I do want to share with you where I am with this. And this is just some adhesive, and I don't know why this is dirty. But I've had some kids in my crafting space with the wedding, so no telling what they might have did and had a bunch of fun at my expense. All right. So let's just make sure that I want to cover up this, oh, don't tear, please. I want to cover up that pen more than anything. The rest of this, I could live with it being a little short. All right. All right. So that's going to give us a great start. I am grabbing the new teacher seasonal book. Well, it says teacher's rule book and the back to school release, but it does have a 4th of July sticker I want to snag. So there it is. So we want to put that down on the 4th of July. Okay. Very good. All right. So I was deciding like what washi tape do I want to use, and this is some seasonal washi tape that has the Monstera leaves on it as well, but I don't know if it's gonna give me exactly what I'm looking for, but we're gonna try it. We are going to try it. I only used this I think once before, so it's cute or whatever. So we'll go ahead and place this at the bottom. Okay. And let's see how it looks on the bottom of here. Oh yeah. Let me grab this off my mat. Okay. So I kind of feel like we need some tropical type florals. And I don't know if any of the books have that, but I did find a sticker that I really liked in this teacher book. So I'm going to throw that down and see. Okay. And we're going to put some paydays down and all that good stuff. So let's see if I can refine my sticker. And I guess I could flip over here so you guys can see. I know everyone has seen this book. There's a million flip throughs. Okay. It's kind of like a half box sticker. And I'm pretty certain that it was in this book. So if it's not, I'm not quite sure where it was, to be honest. All right, so it's not in here. Okay. Let's try this 861 student book. It might have been in here. I was flipping through this one as well. So it is. It says I can and I will. Some positive motivation right there. And I typically like to put stickers down here wherever there's not really any dates. So for paydays this month, my paydays are the 6th and the 20th. So I am going to grab a payday sticker from somewhere and put it on there. And I'm going to try to pop some of this blue because as you can see, a little bit of it is in this particular sticker here. And I think the new productivity book has payday stickers that are that color. So let me locate the new productivity book and see what I can do about it. And I just had it earlier. Okay, here she is. Let's see. It does have, and we're going to use both of them. Looks like I took them out and stuck them back in, but we're going to use them most certainly. So let's put one right here. Okay. And then let's put one down here on the 20th. I just had them. One's dark and one's light. I think I like the, well, we have a light one. Let's put a dark one on there. Let's go back to the one that I just had. Okay. Awesome sauce. Okay. I'm going to grab my midliners because I do want to do a no spend week. And I think I'm going to do it from July the 8th, I'm sorry, the 9th through the 15th. Trying to do it for a full 7 days. Let's do the 8th through the 15th. So I'm gonna grab my midliners and see if I can take care of that. Now where, okay, so since I can't find my midliners, I'm gonna use my Tombow Twin Tone. I think this one will probably do exactly what I need it to do. All right, so we're gonna jump into using the Tombow midliner, and I'm just going to put a highlight around the month that I'm looking to do my no spend, and we'll start there. And it has a thick side and a thin side, so we're gonna use the thick side, and then we're going to put some letters on it that says no spend. All right, here we go. Okay, so that's our no spend week, and I think that I will pull out the alphabet book and see what I can put on the alphabet book. Can I use some of the stickers from there? And I think I want to do green. I can just put no. And then we'll put spend, S-P-E-N-D. All right. Or we'll skip this, we'll put the S there. So each one can have their own. We spent so much for the wedding. We need a no spend. All right. And we need a D. Okay. Awesome. All right. So there we go. Our no, we could have did N-O. I'm going to move this here because we could have just did no spend like that. And let's see. Yep, beautiful. Here's our no spend right there. Like how that came out. And I'm gonna grab this student icon book, and there's some monstera leaves. I wanna plug a few in strategically on our little page. And they're pretty big, so I would like to definitely not overpower our spread. Let's put some on, and we will use some on here, and then we'll use some on the other side. So we're gonna cut this off. Let's do it. Put our little precision scissors. Yes. All right. I don't know. Shall we do this? Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna cut this off. Nice. And this as well. All right. And we're gonna grab another one and put here and there. And hopefully they're not big ones. Not that big. We will make sure that they are medium-sized ones or little ones. Let's see. There we go. Just get our leaves on there. Okay. And we'll do a baby monstera leaf. Here we go. Cutting that off too. That's cool. Alright. Let's see. I think I'm feeling it. It is very simple. I have something else to notate. I am going out of town this weekend. And I am going to grab this. I'm going to grab our alphabet book again. I'm put O-O-T for out of town. Let's do it. And let's see if I can find a cute, I'm going to get a piece of washi or something to put down there. And I think I almost have to color it in as well. So I will. Let's see. I'm satisfied. I mean, I wanted to tie those leaves in and just give it something plain and simple. I don't do a lot of decorating, so this totally works. So this is my monthly spread for the month of July. And I kind of just walked you guys through how I accomplished this. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll try to incorporate more of these types of decorate with me's on a monthly basis. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask below. I hope you enjoyed planning the month of July with me. All right. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, as this is a new type of video for me. I hope you have an awesome month of July, and hey, stay cool out there. Ciao, bella.